Hey, what is up, you guys?
What is up, you guys? It is your boy Courtney here from Imagination Blues, and we are here today doing yet again another do-it-yourself paint job, if you will. Today we're just gonna do a green lantern, and we're gonna turn him into a yellow lantern. We're gonna do this easily. Just gonna use some white and a little yellow because we don't want him to be too bright and too yellow. It's pretty much the lantern powers already. Basic came from Batman, the DUI video I did yesterday, and pretty much my Batman already has a lot of accessories. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave that there because that actually works pretty well with him already, as you can see, considering it just about already has the symbol for the Green Lantern Corps. I'm pretty sure the yellow corps has a different symbol anyway. That pretty much works out for him. And then the power glove. Today we're gonna just paint this a light mixture between yellow and white. Gonna make that yellow just a little bit lighter. And this is gonna be his additional power hand. Power, you might as well say, from the ring. So, without further ado, let's get it started. Now the reason that I decided to go ahead and do this, I was actually thinking about it. Based on I got my Green Lantern, I got them out of the grab bags. I'm not sure if you guys know what those are, but you can go to Walmart and they have them for $3.99. And what it is, it's kind of a random pick, I guess. Yes, that's pretty much what it is. It's a random pick between, I think, 5 or 6 characters: Superman, Sinestro, Brainiac, Green Lantern, of course, and I think that might be it. It may be somebody else, I can't remember right now. But bought a couple of them just to see, just to be random, I guess. And what ended up happening is I ended up getting about 3 or 4 of the Green Lanterns. So I'm guessing that they were the common one in this group and everything. So having a lot of them sitting around the house, I decided I noticed that I can just pretty much change them up. So I'm just gonna start this up, show you guys the quick little method of it, and I'm gonna pause it and finish this guy up. I'm gonna have to let him dry a little bit, and I will get back with you in a little bit. Hang tight. Alright, you guys, we are at a halfway point. As you can see, this is what he's looking like so far. It's already coming out pretty good. What we're gonna do, we're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna put a second coat on there. And the reason we're gonna do that is because we want him to look authentic. We want him to look fresh and all the way as a yellow car. Now what I had to do for the middle piece is I had to go and get a finer paintbrush, something that was a lot finer, because this piece is real crucial because it's covered with a lot of white. You just gotta take your time. Just get a good little layer on there, because you don't want to put too much paint on it, because you're going to basically go back over it later on after this first layer dries to give you his symbol. Now his eyes, you can just pretty much do a little dab just to get a little bit on there, because like I said, you're going to just go through everything. And you don't want to have green eyes because he's the yellow lantern. Everything's got to be yellow. It's got to all be cool. See how he's looking so far? It's coming out pretty good, huh? It's looking just like Sinestro. I didn't want to just paint over his face or anything like that. Just say he's a clone or something like that. But I'm gonna let him dry, and we're gonna finish this up. Hold on, let me get that ring real quick. Alrighty. Let that baby dry, and we're gonna work on the horn. Hit the fist. Alright, you guys, and after a little wait, I let it dry for a little bit, put another little coat on. This is what you're expected to get, your yellow lantern.
Alright, you guys, we are back, and as you can see, our yellow lantern is just about dry, if you will. He actually came out a lot better than I expected him to. He looks great. He's gonna look even better once that paint dries, and I basically get the excess crumbs and stuff off of him. Glove I did, and when it all basically dries up, I'm gonna it together and show you guys what it looks like. But this is my yellow lantern, green lantern to yellow lantern.